the most sought out attractions in Prague is the busy Charles Bridge. I say busy because the only time it isn't busy is when it's too early or too late for anyone sensible to be out. But those are the peak times for photographers, so it's still busy, just with a different crowd, more subtle crowd. Charles Bridge, or Karlov Most, spans 515 meters, or just shy of 1700 feet. But did you know that the bridge was called the Stone Bridge previously? So what makes this bridge special? The construction of the bridge began in 1357 and didn't complete until the 15th century. There are 3 towers that gate the bridge, 2 on the lesser quarter side, which you just saw, and 1 on the Old Town side. The smaller tower on the lesser quarter side is much older than the bridge itself, as it was part of the original Judith Bridge that was built sometime around 1158 to 1172. This was an important part of the city because it was the only way to cross the Vltava River until 1841, making it an asset to the community, connecting Prague Castle to the Old Town. This enabled better trade and economic growth at the time. As you walk along the bridge, you will notice that there are statues on either sides of the bridge. Most of these statues have been replaced by replicas or had some work done to them due to the damage over time. There are a total of 30 statues and each carry a specific piece of history. If you're tired like me after that history walk and fancy a pint, John Lennon Pub has you covered. You can also stop by and take pictures at the famous Lennon Wall. Alright, so we're done with the walk around the cathedral and the castle. The castle is under construction, so not much to see there. If you're coming to Prague, make sure you get your tickets for the train so you don't have to pay 800 crowns per person for a fine. Jaden, do you want to say anything? No. Okay.